exterior project of this house. We're in Princeton, New Jersey. Beautiful, beautiful farmhouse in Princeton that was built about 120 years ago. Very, very old section of Princeton, New Jersey. And then I just wanted to show here about the preparation. I want to talk about preparation because we did the project 4 years ago and the prep was so good that the paint is still in the perfect condition. So you see it just still, everything is smooth. We've been scraping it, the siding, and then we use sanding machine with sandpaper grit 120, which is kind of like rough, but not too rough. And we like literally was using a sanding machine on the entire siding, four sides, all sides of the house. And then the prep was so good, and then it's still in a good condition. So this siding is very old. It's not perfect, it's not smooth perfect because probably have like, who knows, 10 coats of paint. We call it like a crocodile skin. It's not just perfect, but it will not come off. The preparation that we do is we're making sure that we don't have to repair the house for the next 12 years. This is 4 years ago, still looks really good. The condition, the shutters, very good. You see no paint coming off. This is after 4 years. The reason that we're here right now is because we do an interior project. It's a project that the exterior we did 4 years ago, but it looks so good. You can see the door, very old door. Who knows how old is this door and how many coats this door has, but it's a very good condition. We did some glazing work on the window, still in a very, very good condition. And we did replace some few mosquito screens. We did some few mosquito screens. All the shutters we removed from the house. We painted from both sides and we put them back. You see, it's like just like the European style of shutters that you can move it, you can close and open. Neat condition. The prep, it's all about the preparation, painting. Everybody can bring a ladder and paint, but it's all about preparation, the scraping, the sanding with the sanding machine, the priming, and then the painting. And everything was covered with plastics. All this was covered with plastics, and all the paint chips that fell, we cleaned it, we removed it from the house. You see, it's a beautiful house. Yeah, just in a Route 206 where the president used to walk here, you know, next to the battlefield from Trenton to Princeton. So yeah, I'm very proud. The guys did here a beautiful job. We are looking forward to work inside the house right now and to renovate the house, to do some bathroom work, bathroom renovation, wood floor renovation, many other projects that the clients want us to do. Thanks.